name is Mishiri Jayani from BSE University Sleepy Campus, Faculty of Communication and Language, Bachelor of Science, Communication Study Program with number 4420291 and from class 441A26. Who is President Prabowo Subianto? President Prabowo Subianto, born on October 17, 1951 in Jakarta, is Indonesian 8th president, inaugurated in October 2024 after a long career in the military, business, and politics. His president focused on strengthening national sovereignty, especially in energy, defense, and strategic industries, while promising wealth-oriented policies aimed at improving the quality of life for all Indonesians. Since taking office, he has formed the red and white cabinet and pursues active diplomacy, including reinforcing Indonesia's partnership with countries such as Australia. His administration faced challenges include addressing public concerns about his military past, ensuring that ambitious social programs remain financially sustainable, and maintaining transparency and democratic governance. Despite this challenge, President Prabowo emphasized unity, development, and national strength, calling on all Indonesians to stay engaged, support positive change, and work together toward a prosperous and just future for the next year. Thank you. Okay, in part 2 I will bring simple present tense. What is simple present tense? The simple present tense is a tense used to describe something general, a general truth, or something that happens repeatedly. Therefore, the simple present tense is frequently used in everyday life. Simple present tense formula. The simple present tense formula for verbal sentence is plus subject, verb 1 as object, negative subject plus do does subject. Simple present tense formula. The simple present tense formula. In verbal sentence, the verb follows the subject. Meanwhile, in nominal sentence, the subject is followed by the auxiliary verb or to be. The simple present tense formula for a verbal sentence is plus subject, verb 1 as plus object. Negative simple present tense formula. In verbal sentence, the verb follows the subject, meanwhile in nominal sentence, the subject is followed by the auxiliary verb or to be. The simple present tense formula for verbal sentence is positive subject plus verb 1 as plus object, negative subject plus do does plus not plus object. Introduce do does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. The simple present tense formula for verbal sentence is positive subject to be am is are plus complement, negative subject plus to be am is are plus not plus complement, Introduce to be am, is, are plus subject complement. Function explaining fact that have already occurred. Function function explaining fact that have already occurred. Simple present tense sentence function to explain an absolute and general truth that exists around you. Then, this truth can't be disputed and state something correct. Generally, this event or relate to natural phenomena, geography, or science, which are general truths. For example, Amsterdam is the capital city of the Netherlands. Of course, Piger friend that function 2. Expressing emotion and feelings. When you want to express feelings such as sadness, disappointment, anger, or happiness, you can express them using simple present tense. An example sentence is I'm happy because my friend come to see me, which means I am happy because friend come to see me. Function 3. Expressing something that always happens repeatedly. Always happens over and over again. The next function of simple present tense is to show activity in daily life, or it could also show a habit or schedule that is usually done repeatedly. For example, I drink milk every morning. This means that I drink milk every morning. Function 4. Explaining events scheduled for the near future. In simple present tense, another function is to explain events or activities that are scheduled in the near future. Then generally, this tense also discusses transportation schedules. For example, the plane departs at 7 p.m. This means that plane will depart 7 at night. Function 5. Giving order. Simple present tense also function to explain instructions or commands. Characteristic features. The predicate in a simple present tense is always in the bare infinite form, switch a verb that you can use without needing to ask to be in a particular sentence. Example of present tense. Positive. This is an example of a sentence that has a positive connotation. Positive. This is an example of a sentence that has positive positive. This is positive. This is an example of tense that has a positive connotation. Examples of positive simple present tense sentences are as follows. Bianca swims every Saturday morning. Berta is a good and smart child. Bali is in Indonesia. They are from the same city. Negative. In this section, we will explain examples of sentences that have a negative meaning. Examples of simple present tense is in negative form are Bianca does not swim every Saturday morning. Berta is not a good and smart child. Bali is in not Indonesia. Not Bali is not in Indonesia. They are not from the same city. Interrogative. This is an example of sentence that explain an interrogative sentence of what is commonly known as a question sentence. Some examples of simple present tense sentence in interrogative form are: Does Bianca swim every Saturday morning? Is Berta a good and smart child? Is Bali in Indonesia? Are they from the same city? Thank you.